How to fix Rockstar Game Services Unavailable in GTA 5. Welcome back to Terminate. During our extensive investigation into the persistent Rockstar Game Services Unavailable error in Grand Theft Auto 5, we have identified that this connectivity issue often stems from conflicting security protocols, launcher synchronization failures, or network-side restrictions that prevent your client from communicating with the social club backend. Our testing confirms that this specific error, alongside the social club sign-in loop, effectively locks players out of both online and story mode by failing to establish a secure handshake between your local machine and Rockstar's cloud infrastructure. In the following deep dive guide, we will walk you through 15 professional technical solutions that Terminate has verified to resolve this communication breakdown once and for all. Our primary discovery revealed that many internet service providers enable a default safe internet or family protection filter that inadvertently blocks Rockstar Games authentication packets. You must log into your internet service provider's customer portal, navigate to your security settings, and explicitly disable these restrictive filtering services to restore full access. We observed that the Rockstar Games launcher requires a clean authentication state to facilitate cloud-save synchronization before the game engine initializes. If the launcher remains in a hung process state, navigate to Task Manager, terminate all Rockstar-related processes, and relaunch the application with administrative privileges. Terminate's analysis confirmed that misconfigured Windows Firewall settings frequently quarantine the game's executable files from reaching the internet. Navigate to your Windows security dashboard, access the firewall settings, and perform a full restore defaults operation to wipe any corrupted communication rules that may be blocking your connection. After resetting your firewall, ensure that both the Rockstar Games launcher and the GTA 5 executable are explicitly granted full inbound and outbound permissions. Manually adding these programs to your firewall's whitelist ensures that your operating system does not flag the game's peer-to-peer data traffic as a security risk. We tested the impact of DNS servers on the authentication handshake and found that default ISP-assigned DNS settings often resolve Rockstar servers inefficiently. Switching to stable, high-performance global DNS providers like Google or Cloudflare significantly stabilizes the latency-sensitive handshake required for social club login. If you are encountering a sign-in loop, verify that your social club credentials remain active by logging directly into the official website via your browser. If you cannot log in through the web portal, the issue is not with your local files, but with your account's authorization status that needs support intervention. We found that corruption in the social club local cache folder can prevent the launcher from properly reading your session tokens. Navigate to your Documents folder, locate the Rockstar Games directory, and rename the social club folder to force the system to generate a fresh, uncorrupted configuration file upon your next launch. Many users mistakenly attempt to bypass the launcher by executing the game directly through the folder, which triggers an inevitable authentication failure. Always launch your game exclusively through the official Rockstar Games launcher or your respective game client, such as Steam or Epic Games, to ensure all background services initialize correctly. Our diagnostics showed that an outdated version of the Rockstar Games launcher can lead to deprecated API calls that the server no longer accepts. Uninstall the existing launcher completely, download the latest installer from the official source, and perform a clean reinstallation to patch any underlying binary discrepancies. If you are using a VPN, it might be creating a routing conflict that disguises your IP address in a way that Rockstar's security systems find suspicious. Temporarily disable any VPN or proxy software to ensure your connection is direct and untampered. which is often required for the initial server synchronization. We recommend flushing your DNS cache to clear any outdated routing paths that might be pointing your computer toward dead or blocked Rockstar server endpoints. Open your command prompt as an administrator and execute the ipconfig/flushdns command to ensure your network adapter refreshes its connection table immediately. The TCP/IP stack on your system might be holding onto legacy settings that interfere with the specific ports required for GTA Online. Use the netch int IP reset command within an elevated command prompt to restore your network protocols to their native, factory default states, eliminating hidden configuration errors. Sometimes, the game's local integrity becomes compromised during a failed update, leading to missing or altered files that prevent server validation. Use your platform's built-in Verify Integrity of Game Files feature, which performs a checksum analysis to identify and re-download any corrupted game binaries automatically. We found that running the game in Windows compatibility mode can sometimes break the necessary hooks between the game engine and the social club overlay. Right-click your executable, open properties, navigate to the compatibility tab, and ensure that no compatibility modes are active, as these can interfere with modern launcher architecture. If the issue persists, consider performing a clean reinstallation of the game by deleting the entire game directory after uninstalling it. This ensures that no lingering configuration files or registry entries from previous installations remain to influence the behavior of the current, healthy game build. Don't forget to follow Tenabalta for more.